When it comes to internet security in the home, there's strange and there's smart. Strange is covering your webcam with a sticky note. Smart is when your only concern is burning through that morning workout. Strange is when buffering breaks the vibe of movie night. Smart is making sure Blockbuster stays streaming at lightning speed. Strange is worrying that your speaker could be listening in on juicy gossip. Smart is having your private conversations stay that way. Strange is assuming your little one won't see anything inappropriate through their console. Smart is letting them blast bad guys away without a care in the world. Strange is when the thought of your home Wi-Fi being hacked is keeping you up at night. Smart is knowing your home Wi-Fi is fully secured without having to lift a finger. With so many devices connected to our home Wi-Fi, it can be hard to feel safe online. Hackers can easily break through the weak, inbuilt security on a device, like a printer or a smart speaker, and use it to access other devices on the same home Wi-Fi, where your banking, private details, and personal content is kept. That's where F-Secure Sense comes in. Sense is pre-installed inside your router, blocking anything harmful before it has a chance to reach your network. No setup needed, it just gets straight to work. To put it simply, if it's connected to your home Wi-Fi, it's secured with Sense. And for added control, the Sense app lets you see all the devices connected to your home Wi-Fi, easily manage their internet access and see what threats were blocked, securing everything on your home Wi-Fi the smart way. It just makes sense.